Welcome to Qigong, a movement a day. Day 3. We're going to be working on our immune system today. And so let's bring our hands right up by our head, light fists, or you can have them open, doesn't really matter. And we're going to just curl up and bring our hands closer together. Our elbows almost touch. And then we expand again. This is open to the sun, looking up at the sky, open to the sun, chest open. And then exhale, curl, elbows almost touching. Inhale, up, exhale, curl. Deep breath as you expand, open, and curling up. So we're also doing a little joint rotations here, right? We're mobilization. Yesterday we did swings and we rotated our spine. Today we're flexing and extending our spine. So we're flexing and extending our spine. So moving it in another direction that it can move in. Inhale, open to the sky. We're also pumping the lymph. So there's major vessels of lymph vessels that come up the spine, alongside the spine, and right at the top of the spine area, they dump into the thoracic duct. So the major drainage from the legs comes up the spine and then releases back into the general circulation. So this is fabulous for the immune system. Really good for getting that circulation going. Inhale deep, open to the sky. Exhale, curling up, tucking your tailbone under. So yeah, just curling up like field position almost, tucking the tailbone under. Now let's switch it up a little bit. Let's curl one more time. And then when we come up, we're going to open to the side. Ah, nice little twist on the spine. Oh, it's beautiful here. I love to looking up into the trees. Yeah, I totally live in paradise. It's just so beautiful to be in a beautiful place. So if you can get outside into nature to do your Qigong, that is the way to do it. Like I said, it's one of my tricks that I used to do. Get outside. Not always in as pretty a place as this, but being able to feel, for me in the morning, the cool morning air. And as I watch the sun come up. This is why people that do Qigong don't usually get sick. I mean, colds and flus, that sort of thing. Just because we're moving our lymph better, which keeps the immune system active. And of course, this is also moving the fascia, stretching the muscles and tendons and all that connective tissue that we call fascia. So it's squeezing stagnant energy out of the body. Let's do one more to each side. So that fresh energy can come in. And that finishes our movement of the day, day 3. Tomorrow we're going to do a flow. Kind of balance things out. I like to do activations and then at the end of my practice do flow. So we'll do a nice flow tomorrow. Notice how your body's feeling. And I'll see you back here tomorrow.
Thank you for practicing with me today. I'm so happy for you. See you tomorrow.